Hey everyone, we're Lance Fantasy Gaming. We'll be doing our May Patreon 2025 Part 6. We'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer Proxies, and figures. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below as well. Yeah, for all your 3D printing needs. So you might see a repeat of this in the previous. I am going to kind of clean that up and going to start, actually making a list of what to make for the videos for the Patreon. If there's a Patreon I haven't went over, please name me the Patreon down in the comments, and I will try to get that in as best as I can. So you got 3D Moon. This is a figure based right now. Loyalty, you get Holy Angel Amon. I think this looks sick, but I think these would be great if you just, you know, made translucent pink and install LED lights for it as well. We also got Renette from I forgot the freaking anime called, but it was a good anime. I'm gonna print her because big old biddies, Momo with their psychic hands. They're gonna try and make it as two in one, so that you can have two of these. Death is one as well, and I believe Kill, and her from Tekken. That's going to be coming up. I don't know what's going to be for next month yet, but we'll see when that ever happens. We got digital pinups. This is a lot of lewd stuff, a lot of NSFW, busty ladies, and so forth as well. You guys can go check it out in many ways yourself. But yeah, I'm not going to click much of the pictures. I don't want to get demonetized for it. Dungeon pinups is the same thing. Um, even though it's considered as art, you can go figure that out on your own. Links will be down for you in the bottom as well. If you guys want free Dungeons and Dragons miniature, this is probably the best one to go for. This one is MZ4250. We also got Lady of Pain from Spelljammer, or that's in the sigil. But there are a lot of free models that you probably want and have. They did pretty much all the monster manual creatures as well. So if you guys play D&D, want a free model, or donate to support this person, uh, you know, go ahead and check it out. Trick or Treat, it's another figure. This is for this month. Joker, Maleficent, Cheetah, I believe she's called, and Evil Lynn, and this is from last month. So this person is doing a lot. I would say also got nude ones as well, but good overall models. I would say Papo is a very cheap 3D print. If you do what you call Lord of the Rings board game, this is probably what you want. You got the Wraith King and his Drake. And I believe these are from Rohan or Gondor, one of those. Pile of dead bodies, mounds, and so forth as well. Also, you get a little extra stuff for it. I think a lot of these models are a lot better. Like April, you get this one from Watcher and Condor. A lot of cool stuff, and they got a lot of extra stuff as well. I'm trying to see June preview. It's gonna be the June preview one for it. Wild Mesh. This used to be Dem's Imagination. If you need Slanesh Army, this is probably the one that you want. Children of Access. I'm trying to find a bigger picture of this. This one was last month. I am going to print these two tanks for my Emperor's Children, but it is what it is. We got the faces. You can get that nude. Different heads they can mount on, body type, arms, and so forth. got your mounts. Why does it look like the head looks like a penis? The head looks just like a penis. I think they intentionally did that. But yeah, I just realized is like the head looks like but you got a lot of stuff. You want Emperor's Children. There's a lot of stuff sold out, and I don't know when they're gonna actually bring it back. So I'm actually 3D printing some of them, so that I can have it deal with. So we got Leon, Snake. Forgot that girl's name, and these two, Batman and probably the girl from Gear. Snake. Extra content release from Jujutsu Kaisen as Lily from Tekken. Yeah, little cat. Good model stuff. I know Ash will want me to print another Leon, so I'm gonna have to do that. Yeah, be a good husband to do that. Let's see here. Titan Forge. They do Warhammer proxies, and they also do D&D stuff. So the right is like D&D. Also the left can be for D&D. I think this is also gonna be good for old worlds. There's zombie undeads. I don't know if there's undead faction. I think there is. There is a vampire faction for the old world, I believe. And we also got little wood elves. Hi, wood elves for your old world for it as well. I have not gotten the wood elf box set. I have plenty of freaking Games Workshop miniatures. I could just 3D print the rest of it. Penske miniature. This is like Aliens, Terminator, and so forth. That's coming out. That's June preview. That's June preview. We got this. I do a lot of Alien stuff. Alien Puppy. This is a war game. I think this also goes well with one-page rules as well that you guys can look at. They also do cyberpunk stuff as well. I'm trying to see if we can find some more. Well, that doesn't really help much. I gotta go. There we go. May. This is a cyberpunk one. So we got like the Zerg. So these are the roaches on the Zerg. You have the Sense from Aliens. So they have that. They have their own little war game. Human, Colonel, Marine, as well. You can go against the Synth if you really want. And this is a cyberpunk one. Kamen Rider, I believe it's called. I never can get into that thing. I know a lot of people actually does that I know of. Cyber Ornament Driver. I probably want to print some cyberpunk stuff because I might do a cyberpunk game like Blade Runners, kind of like that, but I really don't know. But we'll see how it goes. If I get more resin and more money for a printer, I'll probably do it because I'm actually swamped of what I have with enough money that I don't have much of. Bendy Buddies. This is very cheap for I believe like $10. You get all the file from the past as well. You get 189 models for $10, and it's also filament safe as well. We got Fearin in here. We got Wolverine Cat. We got Berserk. You can get yourself a fire station building for your terrain game if you need it. You got Hellboy as well, and you got stuff like this for your FDM printer and stuff like that. I think it's cute. I wish I had a bamboo lab with multiple color filaments, but that shit's expensive as hell. Immature God, another what you call Warhammer proxy. They also doing Emperor's Children as well. We got I think these are the I forgot what they were called now. We got the sorcerer that I need, a slave, cultist, probably some kind of demon prince or a demon. It looks like more Zench than Slaanesh for it. I think this would be actually good for like Terminator. Looks like they're wearing Terminator armor for it. This is more Nurgle-ish for it. But yeah, check them out. That's probably the last one, Beastarium. If it loads. So for Beastarium, it's like Elden Ring, Dark Souls style, grim dark. You have a Dark Soul Elden Ring board game or an RPG book. This is probably ones for you. We got a Hollow Colossus, Exile Pendant with Mask. You know, I don't know much of Dark Soul Elden Ring, even though I beat it. I don't remember much. I know they don't have much of a story unless you actually read the weapons and stuff that goes with it. Elden Ring have more of a story than Dark Souls, I would say. The Lady Hound, the Witcher fight. So yeah, it's actually pretty cool. If you're interested. Anyhow, if you guys like it, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.